tape, man, pick a lake. I'm getting cake on the corner usually, and I'll put you to sleep like a boring movie. I'm tired of niggas screaming they drove a .6 range. Well, I need 6 O's, dot pocket change. I'ma stay in the shop, chopping the cane, till it look like niggas play hockey on my chain. I'll run in your spot with a stocking on my face, cocked and pop by mistake, I'm sloppy with the 8. Listen, man, I had you tied to your bed. You play dumb-dumb till some inside of your head. Off the side of the bridge on some Nino shit. I hold dice and pull metal on some casino shit. Niggas gamble with their life on some hero shit and get a fucking scarred face on some Pacino shit. Now, I might not know it all, but be know this, when there's war, y'all crumble like Dorito chips. I pass your strip every day. I don't see no bricks, man. I'm a pit. You a pussy, so we don't mix. Go ahead, spit out your jewels. I love that they froze up. You gonna do the same thing when Cass put them foes up. Take them all off and race off like I drove up. This year, raw 16s, nigga, no cut.
Yo.
Nigga flabbergasted, can't even think of his name.
You ain't fucking with Free for 2 reasons. My 2 kids, 2 mouths to feed. I blow kids, pause. Shoot niggas out they trees. Brody niggas, y'all get pushed right off your block. Freeway, when you see me, call the cops. Like I'm Pac, you ain't ready to die, then don't ride. All my niggas know that you're dying and don't cry. No weapon, Brody, you're 9 and won't die. Hood niggas, Brother Samir and Little Ant. Middle water, I'ma leave you dead where you stand. If you thought you was fucking with Free, why you can't? C-A-N, apostrophe T. Tiger Woods, nigga, pop your T, then I hop in a D. E-L-T-A 88, move yay from state to state. Stuff mixed fast, scrape the plate. No fist fight, keep whack, scrape your face. Like I got 10 men and forever to go. Ride with my man, it's whatever with O. Calico in my hand, feel like it got forever to blow. It's just some shit that I'm happy to know. Tape don't sell, still get a stack for an O. 5 for a half, advance money, brick in the tuck. I'm not dumb, no hits and I'm stuck.
Man,
but believe me, I'm a gun, no hits and you fuck in your house Sunday like NFL and Freeway. Don't fuck around with men that tell. Just believe me, you get chilly when you win that cell. I'm from P-H-I-L-L-Y. Hey, J. Reed niggas got LL knock. And the feds need to just let Gotti ride. I know young niggas that'll body cops. Stop and think about what you facing here right in your career and go buy a pack of woods and roll me an L. Freeway, I'm the hood, I'm repping it well. Last year this time Free was under the jail. This year this time Free run with the rock. AK snubs and glocks, put the gat to your mom titties, plug your pops. Better stack one around with me, break your pot. Better car one around with me, take your drop. Got some coke one around with me, break your strip. Matter of fact, take your strip, make it flip. When you gon' realize that the flow don't stop. Need money like Castro, dough don't stop. Nigga, you get what you ask for, bullets or bars. If the nigga from the hood or the nigga a star, Freeway still get at his nut. Pause, let young niggas from the hood parlay in my car. Take them with me when I cash my checks, so they can see clean money. Came from spitting the raw, not off a bundle, gotta stash the rest.
Yo, when I get hard with rhymes, I shine like lip gloss. You pissed off cause your dick small so the condom slip off. I stick thick chords and hit walls until they click sawed and get scald until my dick fall. I'm a sick ball. Throw a couple rocks in the watch so it could gliss more. If you knew your rhymes wasn't lava than mine, then what you spit for? I do like jewels. Ice Cube circle the wrist. Y'all pack selling catch jealous. We working with bricks. Watch your mouth cause you about to be the person I hit. You supposed to be rich. You can't even purchase a whip. I'm a boss, so I floss in the convertible 6 and get sucked by them sluts you get personal with. It's B-Cass, known for chrome and the ski mask. I'm so dope, I should get thrown in a rehab. I need cash, bottom line. Hey, since I signed the dotted line, I've been out of my mind. Man, my eyes on the dollar signs and more coke. You guys just trying to shine, so y'all broke. We all smoke. Breathe in the ganja, and I don't pop Chris. I need something stronger. I drink that 151 and can't drive. I call God like, come get me one. Tipsy off rum, I pound my gun. You like Wyclef. Somebody call 911 when I want come. My chick take pipe for me, all night for me, take flights for me. Y'all getting it first, this my life story. It's like I get actual ghosts to write for me. If I'm starving, I'm in your apartment, you a dead man. Clap, turn your Sixers hat to a headband. You got a scared hand, fumble your coat, get cuffed up, then butt fuck, fumble the soap, you hugging the post. Crack and a gun in your coat, all winter. But then all summer you broke. If I front you some dope, the pack gone. Or get a gun like that long. To your back, dog, your back gone. I watch you holler on the payment. Next day his family put flowers on the payment. Dog, holler at my agent. My schedule tough. I'm in the Benz while shiz getting head in the truck. My presidential bezzy heavy as fuck. I aim for your neck and catch you in your head if you duck. My eyes red from the Dutch. I get raw on the album. Everybody hear me and be like, yo, shorty, a problem.
Yo, I'm a Rockefeller, he spit a Desert Eagle, he older niggas wanna eat with us, they know that we taking over. Rockefeller, he spit his Desert Eagle, he holding it. The neighborhood he coming from is crime infested, and where he get that money from it's old and stinking, and it's a whole lot of it. Until I see some legal change, then I can't grow out of it. Hitting the block every chance I get. $800 hoop these pants and kits to get me around. 2 bricks to get you around, but getting grabbed with 2 bricks to get you sick in the gut and stuck in the jail. Grown men sitting around, look at me now. BC songs with Jay, miles away from PA, out MIA. I gotta see my PO, I don't think I'll stay for the whole trip. Big titty women and show shit in the hood. Fuck big titty women and whole clips. But shit so different from Philly when we rollin'. Niggas wear socks to their knees and cut off jeans. Bad bitches with bubblegum soul reeds, and I had bitches that just wanted to smut. From LA to Maine, get brain, wanted to suck. Remember wearing same jeans, dirt stain in a cuff, and where I put my hand in. Remember hooking in school with bad bitches, wouldn't let me put my man in. But now shit changed, I can pull my man in, and pull his man in, and have a 3-way tag, and be on some Pac shit. Treat him just like that.
But when the truck leave, what the hard stairs for? Cause I cut keys like a hardware store. It's funny, but since I got my money up, I date chicks with fake tits and tummy tucks. They love to fuck and I got lots of condoms. I just go on my block to find them. I wait till they drive past then wave my watch behind them. And they pull over thinking that the cops behind them. Cause the rocks blind them like police car lights. My cop not dying, I keep hard pipe. And I creep your wife like ho holla. And I'll probably write your album. You don't want no problems. I have $4 and flip that. Bought a soda, 2 Dutches, some chips, and a Kit Kat. Got 25 cents back. Made a phone call like, yo, Swish, drop the chrome off. I got an easy one. You don't even need to come, but dog, I need the gun. Cause I'd rather be in a pen before I be a bum. It's a lot of cake out here, and I ain't eating none. Guess I gotta take out here to get a piece of some. You dumb niggas don't question me, cause I ain't really eating. I be just speaking hypothetically, but come to Lomkel Pike, I'm like a celebrity, and still got one headlight on the celebrity.